Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. If you're new, then hi, I'm Zina. I saw that on my channel I don't have too many high buns. It seems that you love them because this hairstyle has a lot of views. Today I decided to create this elegant updo right here. I hope that you like it. So if you don't know how to recreate this beauty, please watch it.
So we'll begin with brushing our hair. And then we want to select our first front section and we will tie it with a clear elastic. You want to clip it away and select our second section right below the first one. Like that. And with all the rest we want to make our third ponytail. Then we want to make an opening through and bring the ponytail through it. Repeat with all our ponytails like I'm showing. This will give us a relaxed feel and it looks like we prepped our hair. Now we want to brush with our fingers these sections, and actually I'm using half of my donut. Bring it through all our ponytails and pin it in place. Then we want to grab one section, divide into two, crisscross them and pin it in place, hiding the end underneath our donut, like so. Stretch it well. If you need, you want to use some hairspray. Repeat with the second section. Like that. Then you want to grab all hair left, divide it into two. Make sure to make it crisscross like I'm showing here. You want to loosen it a bit, hide the ends inside of our bun and pin it in place. You want to repeat with a second section like that. Hide the ends well, and then you want to loosen it, pin it where we need, so everything will stay in place. Fix it using some hairspray, and you're basically done. I decided to add some hairpin crystals, but this is totally optional, and you're basically done. Never gonna be alone, 'cause with you I'm finally coming home. I wanna be with you always, 'cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place.
If you enjoyed this hair tutorial, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. This helps me out so much and means a lot for me. Also guys, tell me please in comments down below what videos you'd like me more to make, because I'm very interested and I love you guys. I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye!